everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. Kicking up after the day, what I wore, you get a week of outfits, you get puppies, you get PA weather, you get some life in there. So we sure hope you stick around, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. I'm Laura if you're new. I have a lot of furry friends that like to join me. Loki's in here today, he's the white pupper. I have Dexter, Willie, and Harvey, which you may see throughout this video. It is a damp morning. 43, getting up to 50. I'm trying really hard not to get dirty because I'm headed to a baby shower at my friend's house. And Loki was just outside. And this is usually how they end up getting me dirty, and I have to change my clothes, and I don't have the energy for that. So hopefully I can stay clean till I get out the door in an hour. And it is, what is it, Loki? 43, getting up to 50 today. It's not too terrible. This week I am home, so no travel this week, which is really good. Lots to do. I have some videos I want to film for you all, so it'll be a busy week. Plus we have Thanksgiving coming up already, so lots to be thankful for. For my outfit today, I selected a pair of Dear John denim from a Wantable. Paired it with a top that I got from Anthropologie, a sweater, and a jacket that is, I think, is this Bagatelle? Let me see. Or is this blank NYC? Let's see. This one is Bagatelle. I believe I got it from, Nordstrom. And my shoes, I wore pink because the shower is for a baby girl. So I was trying to stick in the pink family. And then for shoes, these are an oldie but a goodie. Kork-Ease. I got those from Trendsend. No, I got these from a trunk club, so Nordstrom, several years ago. Obviously, trunk club hasn't been around for a bit, but I still have lots of pieces that I enjoyed from that subscription. For jewelry, I just have on a Rocksbox necklace, and I have on a bracelet stack as usual. And I think I'm off. You ready, Loke? He's playing with his toy. When I said his name, he stopped. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow with another outfit. Hey everybody, it is Monday already. It is 43 degrees outside. It's getting up to 51. Loki and Dexter are here. We just came inside from trying to clean up all that outside stuff. You know, the winter's coming, and it's always in PA where you're like sun, it's 75, beautiful, sunny, and then all of a sudden 30 degrees comes through, and you're like, you never got a chance to actually clean everything up. So that's what we spent today doing. It's the sun's out, so it feels actually really nice outside. I'm warm. And looks like the puppers are destroying something here. What are you guys making a mess about? I don't know. What are you making a mess about? Something's falling apart. The amount of cleaning that we do in this house is just shocking. Anyway, for today's outfit, I just have on Liverpool pants. I think I got in a JB Stylebox. I have a Loft sweater on from last year. For shoes, Sam Edelman. Love those. And yeah, my Rocksbox necklace. I think that's it today. I'm ready to go. We have work to do, so we're going to get back at it now that everything's cleaned up outside, huh? We can work inside. Dexter says let's do that. All right. We'll see you tomorrow. What's up, buddy? Hey, everybody. It is Tuesday. Time for outfit of the day. Let the mayhem ensue. Dexter is climbing on top of me, trying to get to paper. Loki's probably foraging for paper as well. I'm trying to get a couple videos filmed today, and I have stuff everywhere. It's raining today, 51 degrees, getting up to 56. No sun, just rain. And my Wantable limited edition, the Every Girl Style Edit, posted yesterday. It was a very good one. In the end, I kept 3. So I kept the Tequila Sunrise and the Sundown reversible sweatshirt. I really like that one. I probably won't wear it like out and about, but I loved it as a warm, comfy while I'm at home. I don't know what Dexter's doing. And then I kept the Liverpool pink cardigan because I just love that pink. It was such a fun pop, so I had to have it. And then I did keep that open back cowl detailed knit sweater top. I don't like cowls in the front, but I thought the, you know, party in the back was kind of fun. So those were the 3 items that I kept. So I enjoyed that I didn't have to keep 5 to get a discount, so that was good. All right, and let's see, for today's outfit, Loki, I have on AG denim from the Nordstrom Anniversary Sale. I have this cute graphic tee from Riptide that I got when I was traveling, so I got it at the Houston airport. And then for my jacket, I love this one. So this is by Michael Stars. I got it in an Armoire and like had to have it. So this is so comfy, not too thick, not too thin, just this warm, luscious, cozy. For shoes, how about my Dolce Vita? Still resisting a little bit of that covering my entire foot. Oh, that's funny. And then for jewelry, I have on a necklace from Curator. I have on my bracelet stack, and that's it. I'm ready for the day. We're ready, Loke? All right, we will see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody, it is Wednesday, the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. It is 54 degrees. That's the high. The rain is kind of coming and going. The Trio of Terror is all here and worked up as usual, huh? Dexter has this toy that I think came from, yeah, it came from BarkBox. Check out how cute this is. He is so obsessed with it and he's destroying it. All right, before I get into all this stuff, I have to tell you, Ebby is on sale. It is on sale till December 3rd. You need to shop. It's buy one, get one. What? Buy one, get one. Buy one bra, get one bra. Buy 2 bras, get 2 bras. Buy 3 panties, get 3 panties. Like, now's the time you need to shop. I love Ebby. It's the most comfortable thing you will ever put on. Check it out. I'll put all the information down below. All right. My Ana Luisa Stitch Fix posted today. How good was that? Like, the Ana Luisa jewelry is so amazing. I wear it a lot in my outfit of the day, so check that out. Someone suggested putting a pendant on that necklace. I did that. I think I did it in last week's outfit of the day. Perfect. It works perfectly. I even actually got, I have 2 of those necklaces. I planned, as I showed you, I'm going to be wearing those together. So I'm very excited about the pieces. The bracelet is gorgeous. Just a standout dressy piece. And what did I keep from the Stitch Fix? It was a good one, right? It was so good. All right, I ended up keeping the Pistola denim because the fit was awesome and they were so comfy, and Loki's biting me for some reason. Yes, I kept the studded denim because they were very cool and I feel like elevated but not over the top, so you could wear them for daily wear. I kept the t-shirts because they were v-necks and silky and so comfortable. And for my 5th one, I ended up keeping the Varley pullover. It was soft, it was comfortable. Varley is amazing quality, and to be able to get that discount, it was worth it. So that's what I kept. Such a good one. My fixes have been getting like better and better and better. And paired with the jewelry, it was just such a perfect combo. So the puppers are all wound up and just biting everything right now. I need them to stick to just chewing on each other and not everything else. Let's see. So if you haven't had a chance to check out my merch, please do it. I'm super excited to have an Etsy shop with some fun little box of happy items. I shared a few of the t-shirts before. I think I shared the sweatshirt, and I have a Christmas ornament now, so I thought this was so super fun. So check that out with the Trio of Terror. I'm still trying to figure out some other pieces that I would like to include there. It has my little box of happy logo on one side, the Trio of Terror on the other. I have the Wyatt and Xena shirts, which are fabulous. Thank you to everybody who's already purchased items. I so appreciate it. I'm still figuring out all of the in and outs of managing that shop, but I so appreciate it. I'm very excited to share the pillows. So first of all, it is bigger than I had expected. It is so amazing. Check this out. I have the entire Happy Crew on here. It has the Happy Crew on one side. So we have Wyatt and Xena, the Trio of Terror. Don't forget Harvey. And then on the other side, same. I think I switched the placement, and then I did the little box of Happy logo in this fun teal. I'm super excited. It came out so much nicer than I thought. It does come with the poof, the pillow insert, so you get all of it, the cover as well as the insert. It does zips if anything happens, and you need to Like, it's well made. Like, some of these items are so well made. I'm so excited about it. Stuff I have really been enjoying. So if you would like a bright colored pillow with the entire happy crew, check this one out. So fun. Very excited about it. It can go up here with all of my pillows. And I'm hoping to kind of swap out this whole area here for the new year. So hopefully I can get a little bit of a different look for you guys after it's been a few years since I've swapped this out. Hopefully the puppers won't eat everything. That would be great. Okay, so I'm very excited about my Etsy shop. I am very excited about Ebby. Super excited about my keepers from Stitch Fix. I think I've got you all caught up. Let me tell you about today's outfit. I have on cut from the cloth denim from Ever Eve. I got them during their sale. Paired it with this fun Daydreamer t-shirt. Came in a Trendsend, the Johnny Cash one. I love this. And then I put a topper by, I'm pretty sure this is Blank NYC. Who is this by? Yes, Blank NYC. I just got from, I got this one from Anthropologie. Love this. Has like the little denim collar. And then the denim pockets. It's a 3D pocket. How cool is that? Yeah, and then for shoes, how about these? My Kork-Ease you saw, I think, on Sunday. I love them. They're very comfortable. Then I just have on my bracelet stack and my Rocks Box necklace. And that's my outfit today. Gonna run some errands and get ready for tomorrow. All right. The puppers are all excited today. I will catch you tomorrow. Hey everybody, it is Thursday, time for outfit of the day. And it's not just Thursday, it's Thanksgiving, isn't it? Ah, yes. Just Loki with me right now because I did want to try to do a quick video and the puppers are so wound up today. It is 33 degrees outside. That's about as high as it's going to get. So it's going to be a chilly day. It's also very windy. So that's fun. And let's see. First of all, I am thankful for my amazing subscribers, my amazing community we've created together. It's what keeps me going. It what keeps my channel going. I so appreciate each and every one of you, all the comments, the time you take to hit those hypes, hit the likes, subscribe. Like, it means the absolute world to me. Using my links, it's the only thing that truly keeps me going. And what I enjoy even more than the fashion is women lifting up other women, and I just love it. So a huge thank you to each and every one of you who have been on this journey with me. I so appreciate you all, and I'm so thankful for you all. Let's see, for my outfit today, I am uber casual because I can't decide what I'm wearing yet. We're going to dinner, we're taking my dad. So I do have to actually get dressed later, but first thing in the morning, and I decided I wanted to be casual. Loki, here's something. Here, buddy. Come here. What are you doing? Do you want to say hi? So I went uber casual. You may remember this outfit from my Beachly subscription, so I'm loving it. It's by Saltwater Luxe. Bottoms and a top. So soft and yummy. Great way to just lounge around my house until I decide what I'm going to wear today. My shoes are by Dolce Vita. I love these little slip-on tennies. Fabulous. And that's it. We're going to wear it later, huh? I'll have to figure out an outfit and hopefully I get a chance to film it for you, but Wally won't get dressed till this afternoon. We're not going to dinner until 4 o'clock, so I have plenty of time. All right, we're going to get to it. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, so we're back with my Thanksgiving Day outfit. So it is later in the evening now. It is after almost 3:30, and I selected a pair of Pistola denim that I got. I think I got these directly from, maybe I got them from Nordstrom. I think they're so fun with all the little grommets. Dexter, come on, buddy. Paired it with this beautiful mesh top from Sanctuary. Check this all out that I got in Armoire. For shoes, I have on Schutz little booties. And I know, I love you too. I know. I think for my jacket, this is also, I just got my latest Armoire. You're going to see these pieces coming up. This Maje jacket. Love this. Love it. For jewelry, I just put on a necklace my husband got me. Of course, my bracelet stack. I think I'm ready to go. And obviously, Dexter needs something. This dog always needs something. He has FOMO in the worst way. What do you have FOMO about right now, Dexter? Maybe he wants to go out. All right. I hope you have a beautiful Thanksgiving. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey, everybody. It is Friday. Time for outfit of the day. It is a cold, cold day today. 29 right now, getting up to 32. So freezing, right? Freezing. And for my Friday funny today, I put my Happy Crew pillow that you can get from my Etsy store, but I purchased it because I always like to see it first, and I shared it with you earlier. It was so funny because for the first time Loki saw it, he started barking at it, and he was most interested in Harvey right here. So he was trying to get the Harvey picture to play with him, which he's been trying to get Harvey to play with him ever since he met him. So it was so funny. He was very fascinated by the Happy Crew pillow. And now I just have chaos behind me. They're all fighting over the same toy. So there you go, real life shenanigans. All three of them are on this toy. Funny. Too funny. All right, guys. For my outfit today, I am casual. I have on Daze denim from a Wantable. I have on a Cabi tank and a Cabi sweater. I have on shoes from Dolce Vita that I got in a Stitch Fix. What do you think, Will? You like those? And my necklace is also Cabi. And that's my outfit today. And now Willie's going to try to eat my box here. I have a box I want to try to get done for you guys, and Willie's eating the box. These dogs, like, the mayhem just never stops. There's another Friday funny. The box eating. All right. We'll see you tomorrow with one more outfit. Hey, everybody. It is Saturday. Time for outfit of the day. I don't know how it's already Saturday. November 29th. It is almost December. It's crazy. And it is 28 degrees outside, getting up to 35, so it's a chilly one. And let's see. The puppers are all here. Harvey's not, but the puppers are. My Wantable Active Edit posted today, and I thought the styles were fun. In the end, I kept the two pair of black joggers that I liked. One was the Playmaker pant that had, you could create a jogger or leave it wide leg. And then the other pair was the jogger. I think it was by Interval. And I kept the Thread and Supply jacket that was so warm and cozy, and a great little topper anytime I need to just get in front of on a video call or even take the dogs for a walk. So I felt perfect and just oh so comfy. I'll just go with comfy. And when the cold weather hits, for some reason, I'm always wanting to pull for those types of fabrics. For my final outfit this week, I have on an outfit from Trendsend. So you recognize the pants are from Ever Eve. I love these vegan leather. Again, these are also very comfortable, though. They feel like sweatpants, but they elevate the look. I have on an Ever Eve jacket. I love this one. And my top I got from Amazon, believe it or not. I love this blue. So it's just a nice little scoop neck, long sleeve. For shoes, Vince Camuto, you've seen those before, so bring in the pattern in. Got those in a Stitch Fix. I have on my Ana Luisa jewelry, so my two necklaces and my bracelet. And then I also have a Goriana necklace. Do you see Loki? Loki really wants to see this pillow. Do you see that? They are so interested in the Happy Crew pillow, especially the part that has Harvey. He keeps going for this side of it. It's too funny. You see? Oh. Maybe he's really just a billy goat. I don't know. Anyway, that's a wrap. I will list all my outfits down below. If I can link directly to an item, I will. Many come from boxes, so of course I will give you all the boxes. Can't wait to hear what your favorite outfit was, so please do comment down below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and swipe to hype, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.